To send an ACH payment through PayPal in 2025, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a PayPal account and sufficient funds to make the payment. Begin by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Send and Request page. Select Send to Friends and Family or Pay for Goods and Services, depending on the nature of your payment. Next, enter the recipient's email address or phone number and the amount you wish to send. You will then be prompted to select your payment method. Choose the option to pay with your bank account, which will allow you to use ACH. You will be asked to link your bank account to your PayPal account if you have not already done so. This involves providing your bank account and routing numbers, and confirming 2 small deposits made by PayPal to verify the account. Once your bank account is linked, you can proceed with the payment. Review the transaction details carefully, including the recipient's information, payment amount, and any applicable fees. Finally, confirm the payment to initiate the transfer. The ACH payment will typically take 2 to 3 business days to process, although this timeframe may vary. To avoid any issues with your ACH payment, ensure your bank account has sufficient funds and is in good standing. Additionally, double-check the recipient's information to prevent any errors. By following these steps, you can easily send an ACH payment through PayPal in 2025. Remember to always review your account activity regularly to monitor your transactions and maintain the security of your account.